Hello, my name is Florin, and this is my demonstration for the 307 Pervasive Computing module of data processing for my pervasive system. The theme of my pervasive system was regulating buildings' temperatures by opening and closing doors and windows. The demo I have constructing using C++ shows how temperatures can be averaged in an efficient way by opening and closing doors between rooms. The building that I'm going to use for my demo has the layout shown in the documents. It has 7 rooms, and these are the doors and show how they communicate between them. So the first thing in the code is that I had to set up manually the room layout, so you can see how I create a series of objects based on the room class. The room class is mainly used to store data and reset the temperatures when I need them, so I can rerun the demo multiple times. So you see the room has a location, door ID, window ID. These two vectors stores the indexes of the doors and windows. I have a neighbor ID which stores the IDs of all the neighboring rooms, the temperature that stores the temperature, and two simple constructors, one which defaults it to void and one that adds all the details that I need. So if I run my code, the first thing that will happen, the setup rooms method will be used, the one I just showed, which creates the virtual layout of the building. The next one is start temperature regulation. Here I go through each item from the room list and check if the temperature is in a threshold of 6 or less degrees. This is done until all the temperatures are in the range of 20-22 degrees Celsius, or there are no more moves that the algorithm can make, so efficient warming and cooling of the building can be achieved. The next step is to call the regulate temperature method. Here the minimum and the maximum temperature values from the building are calculated. When this is done, the find root method starts calculating a route between them, and then all the rooms on this route have their temperatures averaged. So if I run the code, you can see what I'm talking about. So we can see how the starting temperatures are 14, 23 degrees, 29, 14, 9, 25, 25. At first evaluation, the code sees the minimum temperature is in room 5 and the maximum one is in room 3. So it will try to average these two temperatures. In theory, the system should open the doors in a real life scenario, but here, because there is no need for this will just make the average value. Then we find that the minimum value is in room 1, 19 degrees, and the maximum one is in room 6, 25. Again, the temperatures will be averaged until they come close to the 21 degrees mark, or no more moves can be performed. In this case, no more moves can be performed and the temperatures are averaged around 20 degrees. If I run this again, we'll see different temperatures and a different behavior, trying to find another effective way of averaging all the temperatures in the building. So then we see again 5.3 minimum maximum temperatures, they're averaged, and this goes on until there are no more moves to make, or the temperature was averaged in the range of 20-22 degrees. This was my demo for 307 Pervasive Computing. I hope you enjoyed it.